Alright, people. If you got an old tractor and it ain't a trailer queen, you actually use your old tractor, you're going to have to work on stuff. Well, I got a problem here. My lifting arm is wearing out. The ball's coming out of it right here. It keeps popping out and everything. Well, I could go to a big box agriculture store and buy another lifting arm, but I'd have to buy two because, of course, they don't make this exact size. And the problem with that is they're made cheap as crap. For category 0, category 1, and category 2, I can go buy a new one, maybe $60, $70. But the first time that I bind that darn implement up, it's bent. And that's the way it is because it's cheap Chinesium crap is exactly what it is. And I really don't feel like going to the dealership that originally made my tractor and paying $280 for one. I do not. Nah. Got better things to spend my money on. So I got two options. One, I can cut the end off and weld up a new end on it. The problem with that is I don't have a really nice welder anymore. Hurricane Florence took care of my Bobcat 225, so I've got just little small Lincoln made Century that is really all I need because I don't do a lot of welding here at the house anyway. Most of that stuff I do at work with grown-up stuff. Or I can get this ball back in this socket. I can clean it up, lay a bead around the edge, maybe beat it down a little bit to pinch it in there. It ain't got to be perfect. I mean, I'm not out here farming, 6,000 acres. I'm working on a little piece of property I own. So we're going to go with option B, the cheap way. I already got a welder, already got a lifting arm. Hell, I even still have my ball. So we're going to knock this back in. We're going to clean this up here real good. And I'm going to lay a bead on it as best as I can with this little cheap old welder I got. And it'll hold good enough for me. If I bind it, it might pop it out. I don't know. But that's always the case. Nobody ever wants to bind their implement, but it happens. So we're going to get on it, get it fixed, get her done. Alright. Yeah, old girl wore out. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to come around here and just lay a few beads, short beads. And before they get good and cool, I'm going to tap them briskly. And we're going to try to roll that edge in just a little bit, just enough to retain that thing. I don't expect it to last another 50 years, but, try to save money when I can. Especially when new stuff isn't 100% necessary right now in these current political times. Nobody's even sure about their job anymore. So, let's put some forward to it. 50. This here is my tribute to my sister state of Texas. I like the things they're doing out there. I like the attitudes. Deep South. They're proud of who they are, and I'm proud of being a part of the South and being a sister state with Texas. definitely ain't no lefty. Well, there you go. You can see it now. She ain't pretty, but she's done. It always makes it look crapped up when you sit there and you beat your bead around to fold it. But I ain't looking for pretty. I'm looking for works. And that's going to work. Hold it where it needs to be. Probably have to come do this here in a few more months. I ain't messing with it now. I got crap to do. But that's just my fix. Lord knows, I know there's going to be some YouTube professionals going to tell me what to do, what I should have done, what I shouldn't have done. I don't really care. I've only been doing maintenance work for 28 years, so this will work. I don't care if it's pretty or not. It ain't coming loose, but this side will probably give way eventually, so I'll do this side too. There you have it. That's how this old Southern boy fixed his old raggedy John Deere tractor. It'll hold up. Y'all have a good day.